Hello everyone, welcome to Spanish Classes Online. In this session we are going to do Spanish future tense, the verbs in regular, their conjugations and agreement with the verbs. We have a small exercise also. Let's see what happens in the class.
Welcome to the class. This is session number 10 and we are doing future tense. In Spanish we have AR, ER and IR ending verbs. So we'll start with AR ending verbs. Let's see how to conjugate Spanish verb, AR ending verb in future tense in Spanish. We know about subject pronouns. Those are first, second, third person in singular and first, second, third person in plural. So this is singular list, first, second and third person plural. So this is the order, and in this order we have taken one verb, AR ending verb, that is hablar. It means to speak. Let's see what to do. One thing is important here, we don't drop AR from the verb when we are conjugating Spanish verb in future tense. So don't drop anything, but just we add suffixes are a, as, a, hemos, eis, an. Remember, we don't drop AR from the verb. So just you can see a, as, a, hemos, eis, an. This is first, second, third person singular conjugation and first, second, third plural conjugation. And accent part, you can see accent part, first, second, third person we have. Let's read once. Hablaré, hablarás, hablará, hablaremos, hablaréis, hablarán. So accent, we don't have accent on hablaremos, otherwise we have. There are some more examples, AR ending verbs. Let's see how to do. The model we have to repeat as we done above, just above we have completed, and same model is going to be implemented. Follow the model here. We don't drop anything from the verb, so the verb we are going to copy as it is, charlar 6 times, because first, second, third person singular and plural conjugation, that's why we have 6 in total. So these are 4 written. Now just we have to add suffixes in the verb. Hablaré, hablarás, a, hemos, eis, an. Okay, done. So this is charlar. Now another verb is cantar. Cantar means to sing. We have to copy it 6 times as we don't drop anything from the verb. Cantar 6 times for singular and plural, first, second, third person. Now add suffixes. Suffixes are a, as, a, hemos, eis, an. This is cantar. Now the third verb in the example is bailar. So copy bailar 6 times. Bailar means to dance. Bailar, 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 total 6. Bailar, bailar. Okay, fine. Now just I'm adding suffixes again. A, as, a, hemos, eis, han. Fourth example I have taken, that is estudiar. Estudiar means to study. So copy it 6 times. Estudiar, estudiar. This is also a ending verb. Estudiar. Okay, what to do now after completing 6 copy of estudiar? We don't drop anything. Estudiar. Okay, fine. Now add suffixes. Suffixes are a, as, a, hemos, eis, han. Okay, these are 4 done. Charlar, cantar, bailar, estudiar. Now, let's read once. Start with charlar. Charlar means to talk or to gossip. Now read. Charlaré, charlarás, charlará, charlaremos, charlaréis, charlarán. Okay, another is cantar. So read the conjugation. Cantar means to sing. Cantaré, cantarás, cantará, cantaremos, cantaréis, cantarán. Cantar means to sing. Third verb, let's read the conjugation. Bailar means to sing, to dance. Bailaré, bailarás, bailará, bailaremos, bailaréis, bailarán. Bailar is to dance. Okay, now the last example for AR ending verb, future Spanish tense, conjugation. Let's read together. Estudiaré, estudiarás, estudiará, estudiaremos, estudiaréis, estudiarán. Estudiar means to study. Okay, these are AR ending verbs, future tense, Spanish. Conjugation done for regular verbs. Now, another category, that is ER ending verb, Spanish verb. So in future tense, how to conjugate, let's see. Now we know about subject pronouns. Subject pronouns means first, second, third person singular. And first, second, third person plural. That means there will be 6 conjugations. I have taken comer as ER ending verb. It means to eat. What to do? We don't drop anything from the verb. That means comer will remain comer in all forms, but we will add the suffix as we did in AR ending verbs. A, as, a, hemos, eis, han. Accent everywhere, but hemos, there is no accent. So this suffix, this set is like AR ending verb. A, as, a, hemos, eis, en, as you can see. Now read. Comeré, comerás, comerá, comeremos, comeréis, comerán. This is first, second, third person, and this singular, first, second, third person, plural. So these are conjugations done for ER ending verb. Taking example, comer. Now there are some more example, the verbs, ER ending verbs. Now let's see how to conjugate in future. These all are regular verbs. Okay, the first verb is beber. We have to follow the model as we did just above. We have to copy beber 6 times. Beber means to drink. Beber. Beber. Beber means first, second, third person, singular and plural. That's why we are writing it 6 times. Now we have to add same suffixes. suffixes are a, as, a, hemos, eis, an. Another verb is aprender. Okay, now we have to copy aprender. Don't drop er. Aprender. Write it 6 times. Aprender. 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 6 times. Done. Now we have to add suffixes again. A with accent, as, a, hemos, eis, an. Next verb is vender. Copy it 6 times. Vender. In Spanish, V and B are almost pronounced same. That's why this is vender. 6 times. Done. Okay, done. Add suffixes. A, as, a, hemos, eis, an. Last verb in the list is romper. Okay, 6 times. And one important point to be noted, in pronunciation, if R comes in the beginning, that we pronounce it like R. That's why I'm pronouncing it romper. Romper 6 times. Okay, suffixes. A, as, a, hemos, eis, an. All 4 conjugations done. Now, beber is to drink, as we know. Let's read the conjugation. Beberé, beberás, beberá, beberemos, beberéis, beberán. Next, aprender means to learn. Let's read the conjugation. Aprenderé, aprenderás, aprenderá, aprenderemos, aprenderéis, aprenderán. Third verb is vender, means to sell. Let's read the conjugation. Venderé, venderás, venderá, venderemos, venderéis, venderán. Romper, to break. Now follow me and pronounce with me. Romperé, romperás, romperá, romperemos, romperéis, romperán. These are 4 examples for ER ending future tense Spanish regular verbs. Third category, IR ending verbs. So we practice the model first, then we'll have some examples. IR ending verb, and this is third one. AR we have done, ER also done. This is IR, third one. So let's see the conjugation. As we know about the subject pronouns. Subject pronouns means first, second, third person singular and first, second, third plural. First, second, third plural. That means 6 conjugations. Vivir is the verb taken, means to live. And what to do? Same thing, we don't drop anything from the verb and we add same suffixes. So don't drop IR from the verb, keep it in infinitive form and add suffixes as we did in AR ending and IR ending, ER ending. This is for IR ending. A, as, a, emos, is, an. So this point you remember for future tense that we don't drop anything from the verb, and suffixes are same for AR, ER and IR ending. A, as, a, emos, is, an. First, second, third person, singular and plural. Read together. Vivire, vivirás, vivirá, viviremos, viviréis, vivirán. Okay, first, second, and third person singular, and first, second, third person plural. Now, IR done. Again we have 4 examples for IR ending verbs, future tense, regular. Let's see how to conjugate. We have to follow this model. Okay, these are 4 examples taken. We have to follow the model. AR, ER and IR by mistake. This middle one is ER. Okay, for IR ending verbs, follow the model. We have to copy the verb 6 times. Abrir, abrir, abrir. Abrir means to open. And for first, second, third person singular and plural, we have to write it 6 times. Abrir. Now add the suffixes. Suffix. Abrir means to open. Suffixes are a, as, a, emos, eis, an. A, as, a, emos, eis, an. Recibir is another verb. Repeat. Recibir means to receive. Recibir, 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 to receive. This is infinitive form of the verb. Infinitive form of the verb means don't drop AR, EN, IR. The verb it's in original form. Recibire, a, as, a, emos, eis, an. Okay. Third is escribir. Escribir means to write. Write 6 times. Infinitive form of the verb escribir for singular and plural for second, third person. Escribir, escribir. Now suffix for all. A, as, a, emos, eis, an. Yes, last verb is subir. IR ending verb. It means to go up or climb. Infinitive form of the verb, that means you copy the verb 6 times, original form of the verb, and add suffixes. A, as, a, emos, eis, an. So these 4 examples for I are done. Now let's read together. Abrir, abriré, abrirás, abrirá, abriremos, abriréis, abrirán. Abrir means to open. Now for recibir, let's read together. recibiré, recibirás, recibirá, recibiremos, recibiréis, and recibirán. Recibir means to receive. Third is escribir. Let's read the conjugation. Escribiré, escribirás, escribirá, escribiremos, escribiréis, escribirán. Escribir means to write. Subir, the last one. Subiré, subirás, subirá, subiremos, subiréis, subirán. These are 4 examples. Abrir, recibir, escribir, and subir. Done. So we have completed AR, ER, IR ending regular verbs for future tense in Spanish. But you note this point. In AR, ER and IR ending verbs, all kind of AR, ER and IR verbs, we have same suffixes for all. These are a, as, a, emos, eis, and an. Note the point. Don't drop AR, ER, and IR from the verb. Okay, these are 2 points. An accent, you can see we don't have accent in amos. Otherwise, we have a, as, a, first 3 accent. Don't have, again have and accent. So accent is also important. So 3 points. Suffixes are common. Second, don't drop anything. Last, accent wherever accent. If you like the video, just put a like, subscribe to the channel.
I hope you have enjoyed the class. You may write your comments. You may ask if you have any query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.